Okay, so now the pancake we're going to turn into a chicken and cheese pancake. So how are we going to finish it? I'll just show you now. Self-rising flour. We got salt, baking powder, vanilla essence, 1 egg, condensed milk, then milk. So now mix everything together. 1 full tablespoon of melted butter or clarified butter. The measurement what I'm using is 6 ounce. That's almost 180 gram of flour. Now it goes in the oven. So the first pancake is ready. It's really nicely fluffed up. Perfect like a cake. So on the pancake, I'm just going to put our cheese sauce. Then arrange the chicken. So a bit more cheese on the top. The cheese sauce. Mature cheddar cheese. Grated on the top. It goes in the oven. 180 to 200 degrees. It's a bit of maple syrup. Pickles and red jalapenos. Pomegranate. Coriander leaves. And that's it. Our pancake is ready to go. Amazing. I can't stop eating. Thank you.